Hey there, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how you can create your own AI avatar video for free. That's right, you heard our words correctly. We are going to show you how you can create your very own digital avatar without breaking the bank. So it's back relax and let's get started. So what I'm gonna do, just type in the here Mobio and just click on that, and here you can find the Mobius site in here. So let's click on this one, hit on that, you can see the offsite, then click on the try to agent for free. Here you can see this is the kind of the create AI video in 3 steps. Just what it say, it's in step 1, pick up your avatar, input your script and submit to generated video. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just click on the try agent for free. So here you can see in the website, this is the home, and in the home you can see the about the how do you want to create video today. It's easy way. Then there is about the template. When I click over the template, now you can see it's in the top the landscape and portrait. When you click on the landscape, it say the like what kind of template do you want for your video, like here ChatGPT, poster, short, style and health store, the different categories in here. You can choose from of them and you can use from for your video making. So you just click on that, and also you can use the like from advertisement. If you want for a advertisement, so you can use from them and just click on that and it will come up with the advertisement. And e-commerce here as usual, breaking news, learning and development, explorer video, social media, business card and health is medical. And here is the lots of option, and also you can use the search video template by name. You can just click in here and then it will come up with your name. Then next one is portrait. If you want the video for YouTube or for the Facebook, for the Facebook or Twitter, you can use one of them from here, like the online webinar and the English online learning is a different kind of. This is the portrait one, just you can choose from here and it will come up with your video. Okay, the next one, there's options is about the avatar. So I'm gonna use this one for the next. Before that, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna talk about like the pricing. If you want to use for the more and more, so you need to buy the price in here. So it's about like it has to be paid, so you can use them. And here news and the account, so in the here just you can create, and you can also use the credit for the free. Just when you use as a free, just you will get the 1 minute credit. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the avatar template. Here you can see is called the avatar template. Here already the 1 2 3 4 and 5 avatar, you can use one of them, and also you can pick up an avatar to start your avatar template. When you click over here, now you can use the lots of avatar, and if you choose for one of them, just you can select them and you can use as your avatar, like the talking picture, so for your video creating. So and there's the about the talking photo, you can use the also talking photo, one of you can choose from there and it will come up with your photo. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just select one of them, like the photo one, like this one. If I choose this one, and when I click over there and it say the create avatar template, so let's hit on the create avatar template, and here you can see this is the talking photo. It will come up in your video as a talking photo. Then here it say that name the talking photo, and background it say the original or removed. Just you can click original, or it will, when I click in the remove, so it will come up like this, but I'm gonna use the original. Okay, then view mode, what kind of view do you want, like the original. If you use the original, it will come like this, and square if you use the one, so it's come up. And when you click over the shortcut, it's come up like this. And the next one is voice. So what kind of voice do you want for your video, like when you click over here, now you can see here's the various voices, so you can choose one of them. And also you can filter, like if you want for the female, you can click over here, and if you want for the male, just click over here. And what ages do you want to use for your video, like child or middle age, youth. Now I'm gonna hit on the middle age. Now here is come up the middle list, and I'm gonna use the English one. Also you can use the different kind of languages, you can choose from of them. Now let me select one of them, like if I use Matthew 1.
Hello, this is how I sound.
It's
Hope
come
you
up
like
like this. Okay, let me select. Yeah, then what I'm gonna do, use the super resolution and save it as the template. If I hit on here, now you can see this is the avatar template. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use it as landscape. Click on that. Yeah, when I click over there, so it's take me to as a video creator, and in here you can use your photo where do you want to use. Now I'm using the free one, so it has the watermark, so you can also take out the watermark with your page. So if I want to use this photo in the here, let me take it to here, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the background. So let me hit on the elements. So when I click over the elements, so it's say the add element. So what kind of element do you want? So I'm gonna use the videos. If I choose the one, so it will come up the videos, or you can use the as image for your videos. Like if I use from them, you can choose of them, and let me just select one of them. For now I'm gonna just use this one, and here is the its scale, but is the font of the picture. So what I'm gonna just click on that and use set as the background, and now it say, so here now you can see this is the changed. Then there's about is the text script, so you can use your script from like when you type in here, so it will come up here, or you can use the audio script. If do you have the script, so you can click over here, and you can use also choose a file from or drag it here, just click over here, or you can just record it, so it can be recorded. Click over here, then it will record it. So what I'm gonna do, for now I'm gonna use the script. Let me use the script, just write in here like the hey there, welcome to our YouTube channel, it's about. So when I click over, so let's to play it, so how it will come is take the several time.
Hey there, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to talk about how you can create your own AI avatar video for free.
Okay, so it sound will come like this. Then what I'm gonna do is the final steps, just submit it. Then it say the video is submitted. So what I'm gonna do, it's take the several time for ready it, you need to wait for several time. So it's done. Then what I'm gonna do, just download it. So it's come up to the download, and let's see how it's come. Click.
Hey there, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to talk about how you can create your own AI avatar video for free. That's right, you heard us correctly. We're going to show you how you can create your very own digital avatar without breaking the bank. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started.
And there you have it. That's how you can create your own AI avatar video for free. Whether you're looking to create personalized video content or stand out in a crowded digital space, an AI avatar can help you achieve your goals. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try today, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Thank you for watching.